Okay.
Oh, now you ready to go? Hey. Hey, girl. Hey. Kayla, stop being extra.
Were you taking a picture of me?
No. It was a video. Oh, I can. Go ahead. Stop.
Okay, sorry. I'm gonna send myself to
Kayla, let's go. Kayla. Yo, you are so self-centered. Let's go.
I know you are not talking.
I am.
I learned from the best.
No.
I learned from the best.
Oh, you like that? I kind of want some Starbucks. They still here. Kayla. Ooh. It went down. Stop, Kayla. These is not the cops that we work with. I just want to know who it was. They said it was like a whole back seat of cars or whatever. Well, watch out, Kayla. I got it on tape if they want to hit you. Did she honk? Kayla, get your charger. Get your charger.
Where do we park?
Down there. I'm stupid. Okay. Girl. Woo, that's some tank, baby. Kayla. Woo, baby. I love me some tank. Love tank. Ooh, he know he wasn't right blasting that. He trying to get somebody pregnant. I can't though. God forbid if I say it ain't baby daddy's. That's just my baby. Kayla, are you full?
It hurts.
It does hurt. Can we go to the gym?
No, I don't want to go.
Why? Where are you? Not with child.
You sound good. Shit.
I can't get you and me if you.
Because I got to be behind. Like,
Hopefully we don't get hit trying to cross the street.
wait.
I'm swinging.
You remember where we parked? Because I don't.
I know it's in this garage. Oh, my bad, Kayla.
Damn.
I was looking for a car.
Clearly.
I was looking for a car.
You're looking for me.
I wasn't looking for you.
Ugh, I feel like we need to walk some of this off.
We are to the core. We are walking to the car. Where are you going?
I'm trying to walk it off.
Why we gotta go up these steps?
Do you see the elevator?
No.
Well.
Just had to run up the steps because Kayla wanted to push the emergency button and call.
Call who?
I don't know. I think it's security not trying to get out. You just don't do that.
Why?
Cause Kayla.
Don't do shit else.
Oh.
Chase people around.
No. They think it's somebody getting raped because you pushed the button. That's what it's for.
No. Call for assistance.
It said emergency.
It said assistance.
Emergency.
It said assistance.
It said emergency, Kayla.
You say so.
Girl.
I'm out of breath. Hold on. I can't even close the door out of breath like this. Okay. Can I help you?
Oh my God.
Back seat. Hold that, Trini.
Back seat, windows up. That's the way we like to.
I don't know what you like to do. I like the windows down.
Oh, God.
Well,
Oh,
the charger.
oh man.
And
Ate too much salad. They put too
Girl.
much chicken in there.
girl,
They were trying to kill us.
I had so much Caesar on my dressing.
You had so much Caesar on your dressing.
No, I had so much Caesar dressing.
You said.
Dressing.
He got me about to choke.
Alright. Do you need your inhaler?
You said you. Dang, don't be telling my business on here. So I take an inhaler. So what?
An asthmatic?
No. You said Caesar on my dressing though.
No, I said Caesar. On my.
You said Caesar on my dressing.
Well, but you know what I meant.
Okay, we only got like 6 minutes of recording time left.
I gotta.
Yeah. Go ahead, Kayla, get it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Okay.
Put it in a court. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There's a way without you and I. Da da do. You juju on that beat? It's not the song, Kayla. If we this way, we could be somewhere in the car.